Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2008 300C. The Chrysler 300C is one of the last of the big, powerful rear-wheel drive American four-door sedans. A car for the open road and a long highway. It has great styling, impressive handling, and pavement-eating performance. It's smooth, luxurious, quiet, comfortable, and everything a top-ended American four-door sedan should be, and is priced below $10,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, air conditioning, power steering, aluminum wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM CD MP3 radio, universal garage door opener. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.